Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Open the door. We'll go inside. And just here on the left side in the lower part is the hood release. Pull it open, lift up on the hood, find the safety release. It's a lever here, push it to the passenger side to unlock it, lift it up, prop rod's here, we'll put it in place. Change the air filter. There's two big metal clips on the top. There's one here, pop it open, pop this one open. The air box sits in some plastic clips at the bottom, so you kind of lift it up and out, and you can separate it and then lift the air filter out. This one's not in too bad a shape. I'll reuse it. These should be changed every year or 12,000 miles. When reinstalling the air filter, you want to make sure that this outer part of the air intake duct clips into the bottom of the air filter housing, which it can come unclipped and then it'd be very difficult to put back in. It's got some tabs at the bottom that need to fit into the tabs at the bottom of this housing. I'm going to get it started in those tabs first. So just like that, it's caught in the tabs. We'll keep it together and just slide the air filter in between. And then hold it together like this. Put the locks over. And now I know it's clipped together. If you don't get the bottom clipped together after you do the air filter, it could be, the engine will sound a lot noisier than it should be because you've just got the intake open and it's not closed off. So you want to just make sure you grab and lock in those tabs at the bottom first. Otherwise it's kind of tricky to get them in with the filter in place.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.